Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm here at the Vueroid booth at SEMA, and they've got a number of different dash cams on display. Now, I've been running their S1 4K Infinite for the past couple months or so, and I've really been liking it. And they now have another model that's available that is going to be more affordable. And this is the S1 2K. And as the name implies, instead of the front camera recording at 4K, this one is going to record at 2K. It's got a 2K Starvis 2 sensor, the IMX675, and it does also have a slightly more affordable processor under the hood, which is going to help it to save costs, so it's going to be less expensive than the S1 4K. Otherwise, all the same performance and features. It's got the low power parking recording, it's got HDR, it's got geofencing, so parking mode can actually turn off when you get into your garage, for example, which is pretty cool to save power when you don't need it. And it's got their DuraShift feature, which is basically like a high temperature protection. So if it overheats, it can actually switch into the extremely low power recording mode. And then once things cool off, then it can switch back into regular parking recording mode if needed. And if it detects an impact while it's even in the extremely low parking recording mode, it can still actually wake up and begin recording while it's in the process of cooling off, which is pretty cool. So it doesn't actually shut off altogether the way some other dash cams do. It's also available with their rear camera, 2K rear cam, or their 1080p interior cam as well. Pricing hasn't been announced yet, but it's expected to launch somewhere around February or March of next year. They also have a system called the Vueroid CV, which is designed specifically for trucks that puts a bunch of cameras around their vehicle and helps the trucker see into their blind spots. Now, all the different cameras are going to feed into this dedicated display here, and the AI is going to look for different vehicles and like its blind spots and actually put a box around it, and it can help notify the driver that there's a vehicle in their blind spot. And the name CV actually stands for corner vision, kind of allowing them to see like around the corners of their vehicle. They've also got some cloud-connected dash cams too. For example, they've got the D21 LTE where you just pop a SIM card into it and it connects to the cloud. They've also got this one, the D40 Q2. It's just a box-style dash cam. So you've got the front and rear cameras right there, and then the separate box, which is where you put the micro SD card, you put the SIM card, etc. So like a separate box here for the main processor and brains of the dash cam. This kind of stuff, they're still working on the cloud connectivity, and there's going to be more improvements to come, but it's cool to see that they're working on this too. And out of all the different dash cams that they've got on display here, I think the S1 2K is probably my favorite. I've been a big fan of the S1 4K, probably one of the best dash cams that are out there. And I think this 2K version is going to be a nice way to get a lot of the same features and functionality, but at a more affordable price point. And with that said, I'll have links down in the description to some of the different cameras, especially like the S1 series. And if you're interested, you can check those out. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for more videos here all throughout SEMA, because there's a lot of really cool stuff here. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. They've got a number of different dash cams on display. Now, I've been running the sorry.
Oh, sorry, that was close.
That's okay. Sorry about that.